Sparkle the snowman was feeling excited for Christmas. Sparkle wanted to surprise his snowman friends and flirt with a special gift. So, he had left it to the last minute. He twitched his carrot nose with anticipation as he began
Can you help me take video?
the perfect present. knew that finding the mittens wouldn't be easy, but he wanted to make Christmas memorable for Snowflake. And Sparkle walked through the winter wonderland. He noticed a group of playful snowflakes being swirling right and left through the air. They were like tiny dancers. Left. Sparkle couldn't help but smile. Wait lang. Sparkle couldn't help but smile. He needed to stay focused. Continuing along the path, Sparkle encountered a friendly squirrel scampering right up a nearby tree. Alright. Sparkle graciously accepted squirrels and said, Right. Okay, stop. Okay. The forest was enchanting with all snow-capped pine trees stretching right up to the sky. The ice-covered branches glistened in the sunlight, casting shimmering reflections right around the corner. Sparkle and his new friend allowed a winding path through the woods. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a frozen river. Blocking their way, the ice seemed treacherous, but Sparkle saw a bridge made of icicles stretching right across. With careful steps, they crossed the bridge, and Sparkle couldn't help but amid the icicles' beauty as they left the bridge behind them. Left. Right? Further into the forest, they encountered a mischievous fox darting left and right. Together, they followed the fox's lead, winding right the snowy path.
One time only.
Finally, Sparkle reached a clearing where a cheerful group of snow bunnies hopped and played, leaving his prints right in the snow drain. Now Sparkle had the perfect Christmas gift for Snowflake. He traced his steps, making his way left and right through the forest. The Snowflake dancer saying goodbye turned right and couldn't wait to surprise a friend. As Sparkle returned to right turn, he saw Snowflake standing tall, proud in the center of the village. Right after that, Snowflake exclaimed, "Thank you, Sparkle." The two snowmen shared a heartfelt moment, knowing that the magic of Christmas was about giving, friendship, and making memories. Are you still holding your gift? Hindi na, di ba? Okay, good. Right. Celebrating the Christmas made it special because of the surprise, and this made their Christmas just right. And that is the end of the story. You can open your gifts. Merry Christmas! Dito. Hello?
Itawag mo na pangalan. May naka-ano dyan, nakasulat.
Sama ba kayo dun sa sa araw ng Pasko? Hindi kayo sasama sa kanta sa araw ng Pasko?
Wala po ako sa Pasko.
Hindi, sa Sunday na to.
Wala siya. Wala
Ikaw,
siya. Pasko!
I would like to invite everyone to listen along. We have one last
Yan,
game.
pinrit. Ha? Madadami. Eh? Ba't nasan yung bag ko? Where is my bag? It's missing. Yo, si Sir Nobi, yung bag ko. Ay. yung pack.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more gift. The prizes is provided by the Bishop Creek. Thank you very much, River. Thank you very much. Okay, Brother Marcus, tell us what the gift is. Wow, let's see the gift over here.
Bakit na ba ito sa upo?
Wow, very lovely. Gold, gold.